Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I am out in one of the greenhouses today. And in front of us I have the Sambucus Instant Karma. This is one of the shrubs that I feel doesn't get a whole lot of attention, but really is a very beautiful shrub. Instant Karma gets to be about 7 foot tall at its maturity. This is an elderberry. It's got this beautiful variegated foliage, so even when it's not in bloom, it's got a lot of interest in the foliage. It's kind of an airy plant, like many of the other elderberries that are out there. And then it also gets these beautiful white flowers, which in the fall will have the berries on it. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings with Instant Karma Elderberry.